Hello everyone and a very warm welcome to Housey. Myself Jaital, and today we'll be revealing the teaser of codenamed Whitefield Wonder, which is located right here in KR Whitefield, East Bangalore, a project developed by Ramki Estate. And in this video we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount offers and many more. But before starting the video, let me show you the actual surrounding of the project. And right now I'm standing in the land parcel itself. So basically let me show you. Here's the marketing office of this project and the land parcel is just over here. So here's the towers which are under construction for now. And your main entrance will be right over this side. Now let me introduce you all with Housey. So Housey is nothing but India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is going to be shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry now because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders, because in Housey the listing is done by the builders and not the broker. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's discuss about the project overview. So the project is spread across 11 acres of massive land parcel consisting of 11 towers in all, where each tower are rising from 2 basement ground plus 19 floors, and over here you'll be getting total of 1152 apartments. This project offers you 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK premium residencies, and even penthouse premium residencies are also available if you're interested. Let's discuss about the location part of the project, and project is located in Dommasandra, KR Whitefield, East Bangalore. So let me show you the neighborhood of the project, and this is the Bilatur main road, and this road on this side will connect you towards Old Madras Road, and the opposite side road will take you towards Whitefield Hoskote Road. Now let's discuss about the further connectivity and the location of the project. So you can connect to Lake Montfort School in just 3 minutes from the project. Whitefield railway station is 11 minutes away. Phoenix Market City Mall is 20 minutes away from the location. Now let's discuss about the amenities part, and this project is coming up with world-class luxurious amenities like a 55,000 square feet of grand clubhouse, Olympic-sized swimming pool, kids play area, multi-purpose hall, skating ring, cycling track and many more amenities. Now let's discuss about the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project offers you exclusive 1 BHK, 2 BHK, 2.5 BHK and 3 BHK, and even penthouse premium residencies are also available, where 1 BHK starts from 605 to 624 square feet. 2 BHK starting from 1011 to 1059 square feet. 2.5 BHK is 1268 square feet. 3 BHK is 1485 square feet to 1610 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss about the booking process, and currently our project is in pre-launch stage and our EOI window is open now. So we are inviting our interested clients to come and visit the site, where our sales team will explain the complete project detail. We'll share the payment and pricing scheme, and we'll show you the actual apartment and the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the EOI. And even if you're interested, then you can directly proceed for the booking as well for the unit selection. So everyone, this was a project teaser of codenamed Whitefield Wonder, which is located right here in KR Whitefield, East Bangalore, a project developed by Ramki Estate.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.